Good morning, student. Welcome to Sheba Group of School online class. Previous class, lesson number 12, 13, 14, finished the last classes. Now this class discuss the nervous system, unit 15, nervous system. It's clear? Nervous system. So, nervous system means is a nerve tissue, it's made up of nerve tissue. Next, after we have discussed the detail. Now, the stimuli and response. Stimuli and response. All living organisms will be the responding to the stimuli condition. It's clear? All living organisms responding to the stimuli condition. So, what changes? That is environmental condition. Environmental condition will be changes, then the response to the activities of the organism. It's clear? First, environmental condition is clear the response to the activities of the organism. For example, hot object. Listen, hot object. One take hot object and then withdrawal. Withdrawal. What will you observe? The stimuli and then say detect and receptors. What is the response? Is here withdrawal with this here in this condition. Heat in the stimuli which is the body shows in our response. It's clear. So first of all, you take the one hot object and then withdraw to the stimuli the detect and receptors of the response for the stimuli. It's clear. Next one, the different kinds of stimuli. The different kinds of stimuli, what are they? Light, hot, cold, smell, taste, and then flash with the bright light. You are close the eyes. So what will you appear? What will you appearance? So that is called a flash with the bright light. Bright light. So that is called the close the eyes. So that is the kinds of stimuli. In these conditions will be stimuli in your body. It's clear. In this condition, light, hot or cold, smell, taste. So these are in this condition stimuli in your body and response from the activities. So that is called the stimuli and response. It's clear. Next, coordination. What is the coordination? Then again is the stimuli. Once again, the stimuli responses to the what kind of stimuli? Appropriate and survival of the function is replying to the response to the in your body. It's clear. So that is called the stimulizing. Next, coordination. What is the coordination? The coordinate to the stimuli. Then what will you apply? Organs will be applied and work together will be the systemic of the controlled. Systemic of the control, that is called the efficient systemic stimulizing. When the force applied to the organ, then work together. Next is systemic and the control the efficient. So that is called the response. Okay, that is called response. So coordination. What is the coordination? First of all, coordination is a stimulizing the organ, work together and systemic of the control for the efficient. So that is called coordination. Next one is homeostasis. So homeostasis, very important one. Every time asking the question, then 2 more question. Homeostasis. That is called homeostasis means coordination, the same process, coordination in our body, then activities of the physiological in the various part of the body. It's clear. Next we are going to nervous system. What is the nervous system? The nervous system is made up of nerve tissue. Already you have studied lower classes. Nervous system is made up of nervous tissue. That is a 3 distinction of the type, 3 part of the distinction. One is a neuron and neuroglia. Then last one is a nerve fibers. So 3 types of nerves of the system. First one is a neuron or nerve cell. Neuron or nerve cell. Second one is a neuroglia or glia cells. It's clear. Next one is a nerve fibers. I explain first one neuron. So neuron, it is the longest cell of the human body. Listen, so which one is the longest cell? The one more question the government will be asking many times. Dash the longest cell of the human body. Neuron, the nerve cells. So it is the longest cell of the human body. Then these cells are highly specialized to detect the cell. This cell is a highly specialized to detect the cells. Third one is a information is conducted only for the through the nerve cells. Information conducted to the nerve cells in the form of the electrical impulse. Very important point. Very important. The information is conducted to the through the neurons, nerves in the form of electrical impulse. This is asking the 4 marks question. Or to explain the neuron. Explain the neuron or nerve cells. So first point is here, it is the longest cell in the human body. Second one is here, these are highly specialized detect to the cells. Third one is here, information is conducted through the neurons. Conducted the neurons in the form of the electrical impulse. It's clear. Second one, neuroglia or glia cells. So neuroglia are called as a glia cells. It's clear. Then another one name. See one more question. Neuroglia are called dash cell. Glia cells. Okay. So this is a non-exciting and supporting of the cells. This is not a supporting of the another one neuron cells. So non-exciting and supporting to the cells the neuron system. It's clear. Once again, non-exciting and supporting of the another one neuron system, nervous system. It's clear. Next one, the nerve fibers. The nerve fibers are long and slender process. The nerve cell is a long and slender process of the neuron. It's clear. Very important question. Many times asking the question. Nerve system. Explain the nerve system. Then how many types of the nerve system. Okay. Next we are going to the structure of neuron. Then another one 5 mark question. Important structure of neuron. Listen. Next we are going to structure of neuron. Listen carefully. That questions many more asking the part. That question very important. Very important question. The structure of neuron. The neuron typically consisted of the 3 parts. First of all, the nerve cell is made up of the nerve tissue is made up of nerve tissues. Okay, then the structure of neuron is typically 3 parts. What are they? This is one is here cyton. Listen, cyton, dendrites and axon. These 3 parts is very important. What is the dendrite region? The top of the region, dendrites. This is here dendrites. Next, the outer covering of the place is cyton. This is a cyton region. Next one is a axon. This place is a axon. So the cyton, dendrite and axon, they consisted of the typically 3 parts. So first of all, dendrites, that is a hairy-like growth. Dendrite is a hairy-like growth of the dendrite region. So the dendrite conducted to the nerve impulsions of the cyton. It's clear. First of all, they conduct nerve impulses towards the cyton only for the dendrite region. So dendrite is a hairy-like outgrowth of the structures. Next one is a cyton. Dendrite and then cyton. Cyton, otherwise known as the cell body or another one is a pericardium. So this is a 3 names are formed cyton. One is a cyton, otherwise known as the cell body, and then on pericardium. Pericardium is a cyton, another one name. So cyton, this portion is a cyton, outer the layer of the cyton region. Next, cytoplasm is called, very important one. Cytoplasm is called the neuroplasm. Already cytoplasm are present. That time this is a located of the cytoplasm is called the neuroplasm. It's clear. cytoplasm is called the neuroplasm. Next one is here, the cytoplasm is a large granules body. It's a large granules body in the center part of the side. So this is a nucleus. Center portion is a nucleus. Nucleus will be formed. Cytoplasm as a large granule body. So that is called the Nissens granule. Very, very important. One more question. The cytoplasm has the large granule body in the nerve structures is called the Nissens granule. Nissens granules of the cytoplasm of the granule body. Next one is here, nodes of the reindeers. This place is here, nodes of the reindeers, and then after myelin sheath, I explain the myelin sheath. Next one is here, axon. This portion is here, axon region. This is axon. This is a long tail-like structure. This is a long tail-like structure for the axon region. So, axon contain the membrane. What membrane will be present? Axolemma. Axolemma membranes will be presented the axon. Very, very important one. Long tail-like region of the axon. So, axon contain only the axolemma membrane will be present. First of all, the structure of neuron. First is a dendrite region. Next is a nucleus. Third one is a cyton. Then next axon region. Axon. Node of the Rainier, the internode and the internode of the Rainier region. Next here, myelin sheath. I explain the myelin sheath. The membranes, double membrane wall. This is called a myelin sheath present in the neuron. Next, last, the electrical impulses will be conducted to the last stages of the axon terminal. That is called a branched of the axon terminal. The electrical impulses passed from the neuron. It's clear. Next one is here, synapses. So the synapses is a junctions between to the synaptic knob. That is called is a thread like the structure of the neurons of the trend and next page of the synaptic region. Okay. Next we are going to the type of neuron. How many types the neuron? The type is the 3 types of neuron. One is a unipolar neuron. Second one is a bipolar neuron. Third one is a multipolar neuron. So this type is only for the different based on how is formed the structure of the neuron will be formed the 3 types of neuron. First one is a unipolar neuron. Second one is a bipolar neuron. Third one is a multipolar neuron. So first this is a how is the type arranged? This only for the axon and dendron only formed. So that is called the unipolar region, unipolar neuron. Next I explain the another one. Okay, all see the diagram. This is a types of neuron. First one is a unipolar neuron. Listen, unipolar neuron, only one nerve process. And then it arises from the cyton region. Then which is the act as only for the axon and dendrite. Then this is found only for the early embryo stages only formed the adult stage only formed the unipolar region. Next one is a bipolar neurons. The cyton gives rises to the 2 nerves. Listen carefully. One nerve will be appearance of the unipolar neuron. Then the cyton gives rises to the 2 nerves process will be the 2 act will be another to the dendrite region. So that is found in the is a retina. Listen, retina means eye, retina, eye and the olfactory of the epithelium and the nasal chambers will be formed the bipolar neurons. Third one is a multipolar neurons. What is the multipolar? The cyton gives rise to the many dendrite. You see the structure of neuron, the many dendrites will be formed. So the final stage will be the cyton gives rise to the many dendrites and axon region. How will you found the cerebral cortex of the brain region only? Look carefully. The brain region only formed the multipolar nerves. It's clear. Next is a sensory of the altered the neuron stages. Types of the nerve fibers. So two types of nerve fibers. One is a myelinated and non-myelinated of the nerve fibers. This is a axon will covered with this myelin sheath. Axon covered with the myelin sheath in the myelinated of the neurons, and non-myelinated is a axon not covered. Axon is a not covered the myelin sheath. That is called a myelin, and non-myelinated the nerve fibers will be a matter. This is a gregaric of the gray matters of the brain. Next class we are going to the detail of the brain. How is the function of brain and the nervous systems, human nervous systems. I explained the CNS, PNS and peripheral nervous system, central nervous system and atomically nervous system. Next class we are study the detail. Listen children, now coming soon the quarterly exam, you are prepared well and sit and write at home. Every day you are sit and read the lesson, all the lessons. Thank you.